Bourbon and Guns. We're back over here at the range with this Sig M400 in green. It is clear. So we have installed our Silencer company thread adapter on here. But for a Sig, you've got to have the Sig bushing here. Basically the threads are tapered where the threads in and the barrel begins, okay? And this 6-hour bushing will fill in that gap and give the thread adapter something to butt up against. So that's you got to have that. And also, guys, if you're going to have your muzzle flash taken off and a thread adapter put on, if you don't have the proper tools, take it to a gunsmith. I had to take it to a gunsmith. They had to use the proper upper block to use to put it in the gun vise, because I tried. You cannot remove it without the proper tools. So that's first tip number one. But let's shoot it without the suppressor, and then we'll shoot it with the suppressor. We're going to pick on some water bottles here. All right, so we're clear. So when you put the suppressor on, pretty simple setup here, but make sure you lock the ring. Otherwise you will blow your can off. That's pretty embarrassing. All right, let's shoot with the suppressor. All right, we're clear. So as you can see, quite a bit of difference there, shooting suppressed and unsuppressed. Still not exactly quiet, but it is a fair amount of difference.